What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at fixing the missing Wi-Fi properties or network properties inside Windows 10. Now this is not a problem or an error, it's basically due to a software related thing. So you can see here we're connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and if I go into the settings pane here and take a look at network and internet, once we get inside here you can see we are connected to a private network, and on here you can see here change connection properties. So if I go into here you can see here the profile has been removed, it's not on here, so it's disappeared on the actual settings pane here. So I won't be able to change this to private or public. And it's the same thing if I look under status here, you can't do anything here, it's all disappeared. So how do we go ahead and fix this one? It's pretty straightforward. If you've got antivirus software like Avast installed, so I'm going to come down to the bottom here where Avast is open here, so I'm going to quickly click on this one here. So once you click on the bottom here, Avast should open up. And then once this opens we should be able to make changes here. You can see it's saying we are protected. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go into the protection. Now the reason why I made this video is because I thought it'd be useful for people that have suddenly looked for their profile for their network and it's missing, and it may stump you a little bit not knowing that the setting is now inside your Avast internet security. So when you come inside your protection, look under firewall, keep hackers out, click on here, and you can now see we have got these settings here. So they've took the rights to control it from here. So basically the Avast internet security has took the permissions to control your private network or public network from here. And that's pretty much it. You can see they've got full control here. So if you wanted to just quickly, let me just show you this. I'm going to turn this off and stop this for 10 minutes. I'm going to say yes here, and I've just turned the firewall off for 10 minutes just to show you. So once you've disabled the firewall here, we can come back down to the start button, go into settings here, and then when we go into network and internet we can now click on change connection properties. You will see that it's giving you the network profile back here, and you can change it here if you want to whatever you like. So basically that's how you can fix it. It's not really a problem, it's just that Avast internet security has took full control of it. So when I enable this it will disappear again, as you'll see here, which is a bit strange because obviously some people may not know that, and they may look in here and of course they won't be able to see it, and they may panic and think their Windows is broken, when actually the Avast internet security has took over full control. Now you can also change it from inside Avast internet security by clicking on here. You don't need to enable it and disable the firewall, you can leave it on and you can use this feature here. So this is took preference over Windows now to change that. I was just giving you a little heads up there because some people may not know to look inside their firewall settings and see it's gone missing and spend many hours trying to work out why it's gone missing and try to fix it, and all along it's been sitting inside your Avast internet security profile settings here, where you can be able to change your firewall settings. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a really quick one. This video has been brought to you by ISKYSOFT.com. Check out their hot summer sale where you get special offers, buy one get one free, and free summer giveaways. Their biggest offer is the ISKYSOFT Summer Bundle 12-in-1, where you can save a massive $527. Check link in the video description for more details. I've shown you how to resolve a problem that you may stumble across. If you're looking for that issue, then try to check those settings out and hopefully that will rectify your problems. Anyway, my name is Brian from BrianTechComputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for continued support. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.